today's class is focused on sciatica. So we'll learn everything that needs to be known about sciatica, what it is, what are the symptoms, what should one do when one has sciatica, all of that. I will also take questions and I'll also answer some of the questions that you already have asked me. So first things first, sciatica is the longest nerve in the human body and it also is the thickest nerve. Abhi, there are some advantages and there are some disadvantages of being the longest and the thickest nerve. अब साइटिका को सुषुम्ना नाड़ी का एक्सटेंशन बताया गया है योग में. Now योग is written probably 20,000 years ago or 10,000 years ago. तो उसमें नाड़ियों का अलग अलग नाम है. इंग्लिश में उसका अलग अलग नाम है. जो इंग्लिश में नाम है वो साइटिका है. And I believe in science and therefore I try to correlate science with yoga. तो योगा में इसे सुषुम्ना नाड़ी कहा गया है. अब ये जो सुषुम्ना नाड़ी है या साइटिका है, ये सबसे मोटी नाड़ी होती है. इसका एडवांटेज ये है कि इट इज नेवर लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग. इसकी जो तकलीफ है ये लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग नहीं होती. तो वो टेंशन निकालो कि ये नर्व का प्रॉब्लम है तो मुझे साइटिका हुआ है तो मुझे कुछ होगा, कुछ नहीं होगा, बिकॉज इट इज द थिकेस्ट नर्व एंड द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट नर्व. द डिसएडवांटेज इज इसकी जो शुरुआत होती है, इट इज लाइक अ ट्री, यू नो. सो the roots come together, then the you know bark forms and then the branches stem out. So इसका origin is between the L4 and the tailbone. तो वहां से वो शुरू होता है and then it moves through the legs. And then when you have the pain, it's when either there is a rupture in your tailbone or your L4. Mostly it's the L4, or it is brushing against some of the bone or the muscle part when it is moving around. So ये जब होता है तो आपको दर्द होता है. तो first make peace with the fact कि ये तकलीफ होने के पहले कम से कम 1-1.5 साल से वो आपको सिग्नल देगा और होने के बाद आपको 1-1.5 साल जाने के लिए लगेगा. तो ये चुटकियों में ठीक होने वाली चीज नहीं है. मेक पीस विद द फैक्ट्स. और अगर कोई डॉक्टर आपको बोलता है कि ये चुटकी में ठीक होगा, ये गलत बोल रहा है, या he has some vested interest. It's science. It will not be okay until and unless you do some rehabilitation exercise. In my experience of last 20 years, this is definitely treatable. So 100% इसका इलाज है, 100% इसका इफेक्ट आपको आएगा ही आएगा. It is my guarantee. Okay. So as long as you follow the exercises that I'll be telling today, and I'll be telling you 10 exercises. और ये 10 exercise आपको करने ही करने हैं. This is your medicine. And this medicine you will be doing for 3 minutes each. So 10 exercises into 3 minutes is 30. 2 cycles is 60 minutes. So 1 घंटा आप खुद के लिए ये देंगे तो 2 से 3 महीने में इसका 100% आपको क्योर होगा. अभी क्योर हो गया, आप ठीक हो गए, आप उछल कूद करने लग गए, ये वापस एंट्री कर सकता है because your disc is no, there is wear and tear in that and the nerve will be exposed. So the moment it is exposed, it will again remind you that buddy, I'm there. So it's your friend. So you have to continue these rehabilitation exercises as long as possible to avoid the re-emergence of pain. और इसके लिए दवाई जो है एलोपैथी में जो है वो नर्व नमनेस के लिए आपको दवाई देंगे, उससे आपको ठीक लगेगा. But that also has a lot of side effects and the sensations, taste, everything goes for a toss. So we will not go on that route. So without further ado, let's start with the first basic fundamental exercise. The first fundamental exercise that you have to do when you are having sciatica is Baddha Konasana. So that's the first exercise that you will be doing. Now, in case you are not able to do the way I am doing, you can take support. Guddu, can you give me another brick? I don't know where I've kept. Maybe it's in the room. You could take support underneath your knees the way I've taken. आप पिलो रख सकते हो या ब्रिक रख सकते हो, जो भी आपके पास उपलब्ध होगा. Yeah, that should be okay. So easy Baddha Konasana. Now Baddha Konasana तो हम 17 क्लास से कर ही रहे हैं. अब इसमें फर्क क्या है? Now when I'm doing this, normally I would say, okay, the focus should be on touching the knees to the ground, and I would want this sound to come. Okay, normally my students would know that I like this music. Now in this case, when you are having sciatica, this is not the expectation. The expectation is your both the buttock bones, okay, both the buttock bones should be on the ground. There has to be equal weight and balance of both the buttock bones on the ground. Now feel that. Don't go into pushing this down, but see that you're sitting exactly on both the buttock bones and sitting straight. If that is happening, that is the first step of your rehabilitation. So Baddha Konasana with a slight difference. Focus is on managing your weight on both the buttock bones. Are you able to do it? Are you able to feel it? Especially students who, so Trupti, give me a yes if you are able to do this and if you are able to feel it. Lalita, Trupti.
Yes, I can.
Pradhan, Bhairavi, I forgot the name.
Yes, sir. I can do it. Thanks.
So now feel the weight on both the buttock bones. Now, in case you are having the imbalance, if you feel that you're having imbalance, usually लगता है. So in that case, you would use this triangle. ये हमने किया, ये fold, इसका ये जो triangle है, ये इस तरह से रखो. Now, in case I feel कि my right side is not balanced, but my left side is well balanced, I would take this beneath and do this. In our rehab class, I have these wheels, the wheels which are made with wool. So I use wheel and I just wound the wool, and then I keep underneath the exact buttock bone to balance that out. So this is the first exercise that you need to do. Again, you could do it for as long as 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute, depending on how easy or difficult it is. So you get first exercise. We'll move ahead. Now, second exercise is a little important. Now, sometimes the doctor will scare you. Oh, ये आपका rupture हो गया है, या ये muscle का है. So, what is the test to do to see whether the pain is because of a muscle or the pain is because of a rupture? And having a rupture is not a bad thing. It is repairable, recoverable. So nothing to worry. But we need to know what the root cause is. So the second asana is to be done like this. The runners would be doing this after the run as a stretching. Lie down on the floor, if you can see me. Yeah. Fold the leg. Okay, step 1. Everybody able to do this, especially the students who have asked me for the class. Just see that you're able to do this. If you're not, just tell me. Unmute yourself and just tell that you're not able to do. Now, step 2 is this. Shouldn't be a problem so far. Right? Now, step 3 is this. Runners would know that ये तो हम running के बाद as a stretch करते हैं. Now, when you're doing this, you should feel good. You should feel relaxed. You should feel better. In case you're not feeling it, okay? ये पहले किया, फिर ये second इस तरह से किया. ये करने के टाइम अगर आपको पेन आया, acute पेन आया, sorry, कशा आहे? हाँ, पण नको मी. So, अब सबने किया ये exercise? Or if you are having pain, acute pain like tingling, like a current, like numbness, when doing this exercise, it could be because of a L4 problem. अगर नहीं हुआ है, so then it is definitely good news. It is because essentially your muscles are weak, the nerve is brushing somewhere, and you are having a problem. So, so this is called needle in the thread in English. It's a variation of asana. Okay, ये हमने किया. Step 1, या second. So far so good. दो posture हमने किए. Second posture, first posture was this. Second posture was needle in the thread. I'll be now going into the third one. Third one is very easy. You sit in Vajrasan. घुटनों के नीचे सपोर्ट लो. इस तरह से या पूरा stretch and go into Adho-Mukha Vajrasana. Thirty seconds, 1 minute, 2 minute, आपके शक्ति अनुसार आप कर सकते हो. So far so good. कितने हो गए? 3. अब बढ़ते हैं चौथे एक्सरसाइज की तरफ. And before I go there, I'll tell you now the why do some people have sciatica now? As per some estimates, 5% of the population suffers from sciatica. Now, in my experience, this is my experience. This is not as per any research paper. In my experience, I've seen aging, typically after 30. Second reason, genetics. If your mom, dad, especially mom side, have sciatica, you are likely to have sciatica. Third reason, hormonal imbalance leading to weight increase, leading to problem in sciatica. These are the 3 main reasons that I have seen. The fourth, prevalent especially in men, is the runner syndrome. So you run, you work out, there is over stress in the lower half of the body, there is less stress in the upper half of the body, which leads to imbalance in the muscle chemistry that leads to sciatica. So typically these are the 4 reasons that I have seen in my experience. Now, as far as genetic goes, as I said, it will be your friend and you'll have to do these rehabilitation exercises for some time. If it is induced because of running, there are two things that come because of running. One is sciatica and the second is ITB. ITB stands for Ibito-Biel band syndrome, which is essentially this side of the muscle flares and you have knee problem. So either the runners have a ITB or they have a sciatica. So that's again treatable. Definitely a solution can be given. So 3 हमारे आसन हो गए. चौथा आसन is Marjarasana. Marjarasana is the most important of all the asanas that we will be doing because that's the one that will take care of the ruptured disc. करना कैसे है सबको पता है, नहीं है तो फिर भी देखिए, कुछ नए स्टूडेंट्स हो तो. वज्रासन से ऊपर आइए, घुटनों में अंतर बढ़ाए, एक्सेल एक्सेल, इनहेल एक्सेल, कम से कम 20 टाइम्स कीजिए. पांचवा अधोमुख श्वानासन. थैंक यू सो मच. अधोमुख श्वानासन, we do it every day. Let's do that. 30 seconds. Stretch your hands. Bend forward. घुटनों में अंतर बढ़ाए. Then straighten your knees. Try to take your buttocks in the air. 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes. ये हो गया 5. अभी छठा, 6th exercise and one of the most important exercise and the easiest is भरद्वाज आसन. करना क्या है, आप एक पैर इस तरह से फोल्ड कीजिए. इसमें सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आपके दोनों जो बोन्स है, बटक बोन्स है, equal weight should be there on both the buttock bones. If that is not happening, then you're doing it wrong. आप जैसे ये लेग क्रॉस रखोगे ना, आपका एक बटक बोन ऊपर उठेगा. जैसे ही आप यहाँ तक है तो आपका दोनों बटक बोन्स पे इक्वल वेट है. जैसे आप ऐसे रखोगे you will observe that on one side your weight is transferred, the other side the buttock bone is lifted. Therefore, you need to take this triangle again, ये जो triangle हमने दिखाया था, underneath, to see that both the sides are balanced. अब इसको first इस साइड ट्विस्ट करो, and try to again balance both the buttock bones, दोनों buttock bones पे equal weight. अब यही हाथ को पहले जो ऐसे किया था अभी हम लॉक करेंगे और साइड ट्विस्ट. सो बैक का जो ट्विस्ट है that will ensure your L4 is taken care of. Okay, just keep your balance equal. Same way to the other side. पहले easy, फिर अब आपने गौर किया होगा कि हमने कल या परसों के क्लास में जो है, when we did the stretching we did this, right, and then we did this. अब दोनों में डिफरेंस देखो क्या है. The moment you put your leg like this, you are actually activating the buttock bones, and once that happens and then you're twisting, you are ensuring the path of that nerve of the Sushumna Nadi or the sciatica nerve, you're opening it up. So that path, once it is open and it is free, you will not have the pain. So this is one of the most important exercise to be done. What is the number we are on?
6.
और 4 बताना बाकी है. अब ये जो आखिरी के 4 है वो if you are having severe pain you may not do it, otherwise regular rehabilitation के ही exercise है, they are not very difficult. We could do that, and then after that 4 also there are advanced exercise also, but we'll limit it to 10 today, and I would expect you to do the 10 as a homework, as a practice. So let's move to the next exercise. The next exercise, the name is Ekapada Raj Kapotasana. Name is extremely long and difficult. So Raj Kapotasana is a pigeon. So Ekapad मतलब एक पैर से किया गया कपोटासन, या the one leg pigeon pose. So English में जिसको one leg pigeon pose बोलेंगे, संस्कृत या योगा में उसको Ekapada Raj Kapotasana कहेंगे. The recording of this session will be available, but I would expect you to make notes and remember this. करना कैसे है? Very simple. एक पैर आगे लीजिए इस तरह से और दूसरा पैर सीधा रखिए. Now since I am in practice, it may look easy when I do this, but for you it may be difficult and you may have pain in the lower back. It's okay. Just bear with me for some time. हाथ पीछे लेंगे तो पेन ज्यादा होगा because you're stretching. हाथ आगे रखेंगे तो कम होगा. तो अभी इसी पोस्चर को, this is for sciatica, so naturally I'm not doing it the ideal way. The ideal way is to completely go behind. Okay, we are doing the relaxed way for rehabilitation in sciatica. Just bend forward. You should feel good, you should be able to do it. If you're not able to keep the leg straight like this, it's okay to have it like this and do this. If you're not able to keep it like this, it's still okay. You can keep like this and still do it. अगर ये important है कि आपका एक पैर फोल्ड होना चाहिए और आपका बॉडी जो है वो साइड पे फॉल होना चाहिए.
Able to do it, sir.
दूसरे साइड भी दिखाऊंगा। ये पैर मैंने पूरा स्ट्रेट रखा है। आई ट्राई टू कीप इट स्ट्रेट। आई हैव केप्ट माय बोथ द हैंड स्ट्रेट। बैक जो है वो थोड़ा टिल्ट होगा तो उसको सीधा कीजिए। नाउ फॉर स्टूडेंट्स हु आर डूइंग इट जनरल प्रैक्टिस, कीप योर फिस्ट, कीप योर बैक स्ट्रेट एंड टेक इट डाउन। अभी इसका अगला वर्जन होगा कि इसको पैर को उठा के सर को टच करना है, वो फिर कभी दिन दिखाएंगे। फॉर द टाइम बीइंग साइटिका के लिए just bend forward, touch your forehead to the ground. If you're not able to touch to the ground, take the brick, relax. This is a relaxing posture, you would agree. Last three. Abhi from this we'll move to Kandharasan. Kandharasan is also very important, especially when the doctor scares us. डॉक्टर बोलते नहीं आपके L4 वीक हो गया है, आपका प्रोटीन कम है, B12 कम है, तो आपका सर्जरी करनी पड़ेगी, तो पेन बहुत हो रहा है. So in that case, the first thing that you should do without talking to anybody is Kandharasan, because this is the best exercise that I have seen, especially for treating L4, L5, especially for treating cyclists, runners who have more wear and tear, but the core is not strong, the upper body is not strong. So I have found Kandharasan to be extremely beneficial. Now I'll tell you the easy method also in Kandharasan and the regular method. Regular तो हमने सीखा है, हम डेली क्लास में करते ही है. करना क्या है? Lie down and just lift your buttocks. If you want to give support, give support. Now in this, try to activate your glutes, activate your buttocks, and see that you are supporting your lower back and you're pushing it up. आप अगर ग्लूट्स एक्टिवेट नहीं करेंगे तो घुटनों पे ज्यादा प्रेशर आएगा. सपोर्ट लीजिए. Slowly down. Inhale, exhale. और एक बार करेंगे कंधारासन. Slowly down. Turn towards one side. So far so good. 8 एक्सरसाइज हो गए और 2 बाकी है. एक जो है मैं दीवार की तरफ दिखाऊंगा, so I'll move the camera and I'll show. And what we'll do is we will be completing this in half an hour. So the next half an hour we'll do the practice of this 10 asanas for 2 minutes each. So that should give you a rhythm. So the next asan is Markatasan, but with a slight difference. Markatasan हम regularly करते ही है. Guddu, can you check for the belt, yoga belt, in the drawer in this room? Drawer. Take a brick, keep it in between your knee. If you don't have a brick, you can take a small pillow, a soft ball, anything that you may have. Pillow is also fine. You keep it. Take it. Thank you. Now I'm pressing both the knees to the brick. Okay, brick लिया, दोनों घुटनों से प्रेस किया, दोनों हाथ बाहर रखे. अब ये प्रेस करते हुए आपको राइट को जाना है ना ध्यान रखे कि आपके घुटने जो है वो एक लाइन के होने चाहिए, आगे पीछे नहीं होने चाहिए. आपके दोनों जो शोल्डर्स है वो जमीन पे टच कर रहे हैं, ये देखो, I'll just show the length, okay? My ankle are both touching together. Both feet are of the same length. तो यहाँ पे जितने लेंथ के है, when I'm turning to one side, it should be of the same length. ये ऐसे आगे पीछे नहीं होना चाहिए, ये सेम लेंथ के ही होने चाहिए. और नीचे आ जाओ. So you will feel stretch in your L4, L5 sides. And this is again rehabilitation. You should feel good, not pain. Again the same exercise to the other side. Keep the length of both the knees same. And turn to the other side. Shoulder को उठाना नहीं है. Same exercise with brick or a pillow. Pressing it hard, going towards one side, coming up, turning to the other side. ये हो गया 9. दिखने में इजी है, थोड़ा मुश्किल है, किंतु very beneficial, and it will not give you pain. It will be relaxing. It is not a difficult asana at all. हाँ, so ये the question was, why do we keep the pillow? One is to balance the legs, and when you press it, you actually are using the pressure in this part, and in case there is a muscle imbalance की वजह से अगर आपका वो pain होगा तो इससे जाएगा. It will not be easy, it will be difficult. The more you put pressure, better for you. In fact, even without this, even if you just do here, you will feel that your actually hips are getting activated when you press it. The 10th exercise is to be done to the wall. Very simple. I'll just twist the camera. अब मैं खड़ा हुआ हूँ, तो मैंने left leg इस तरह से रखा. Okay. And then I am twisting my back. I am trying to hold the wall and trying to touch the chest to the wall. नीचे का पैर सीधा. "30 seconds, 40 seconds, 1 minute. Same way, you come to the other side, and it's okay. Then go to this side. और साइटिका. अभी इसका जो मर्कटासन हमने किया उसी का एक वेरिएशन भी है जो हम करेंगे, बट ये फर्स्ट 10 एक्सरसाइज जो मैंने आज बताया, तो वो याद रखिए, वो कोशिश कीजिए कि आपको डेली करना है. इवन इफ यू डोंट हैव साइटिका, इट्स स्टिल गुड टू डू टू अवॉइड